Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to day number 12 of Autodesk Fusion. This one I'm going to repeat, kind of very similar to yesterday's video where we did 2D geometry and mirroring it. We're going to do this again with 3D bodies and repeating some of that stuff. So what we got here so far is I have this piece which is a mirror reflection of itself. And rather than have to make two pieces and then making sure that the geometries all match and potentially causing room for error, to make this easier on ourselves, what we're going to do is we're going to make one body, do the mirror function, and repeat the other end. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a new design. Now I'm just going to draw some very quick geometry here. Nothing too crazy. I'm just going to make some simple rectangles and call it done. Then we're going to extrude those three planes out. Pretty easy to make this part. But this would be really helpful if you're doing something that has a really complicated geometry and you need to flip it around. Let's go ahead and just do some other fancy geometry. Let's make a cut here. And just going to go ahead and extrude this out. So what if I've made this piece so far, but then I want to have a mirror side of it? So under this Create tab, we see Mirror. Now, we used Mirror to repeat some geometry yesterday in a sketch. We're going to do this for a body. So the pattern type we're going to do is we're going to repeat the body. There's some other features in here you're welcome to tinker around with. I'm not going to do too much on that just because once you learn how to mirror, you're kind of good on what you're mirroring. But we're going to do a body here. So I'm going to select that whole body, do a mirror plane. Now you notice there's a couple of interesting things that happen here. My origin planes pop up. You can kind of see them. Even if I scroll in, you can't. Maybe if I scroll out, you can see them better. There we go. You see our origin planes pop up. So we can pick an origin plane to mirror on, or we can pick a plane on the actual body. For me, it doesn't matter because either ones would produce the same results. But here's what we got is we have two different bodies that are mirrors of one another, and since they're not the same thing, I can do different things to them. So for example, I want to make one of them, let's make it blue. We can change the material and physical appearance of one and not affect the other. So this might be helpful if you have I don't know, something that repeats itself. So often most shells have mirror images where they come together. Alrighty guys, that's going to be it for this video, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.